Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create new site pages in a SharePoint site. Let's get started. Firstly, go to your SharePoint site. Make sure you're signed in with the right account that has permissions to create pages. Now you can see I am in Demo Sites. To create a new page, click the New button at the top, and then choose Page. SharePoint will now show you some page layout templates like blank, visual, or basic text. Choose the one that fits your needs. For this example, I'm going to select the blank page. Once your new page opens, the first thing you want to do is give it a page title at the top. Here I am, name it Home Page. Then remove unnecessary content. After that, you can start adding web parts as per your requirements, and then design the page in your own way. Just click the plus icon where you want to insert web part. Design the page by adding web parts according to your requirements, customize them as needed, and configure them as you prefer. When you're done designing your page, click Publish to make it live on your SharePoint site. And that's it! You've successfully created a new site page in SharePoint.